My son had so much fun with his orbiting solar system STEM kit, and it was even better because Dad helped him put it together. They bonded while building a colorful mechanical model of our solar system, and it turned out absolutely awesome. We all love it. The planets actually revolve using a wind-up motor, so no batteries are needed, which I think is so clever. While building it, my son learned about gears and even got introduced to a special type of gear called a planetary gear. It's such a hands-on way to explore how the planets orbit the sun and all the cool facts about our solar system. The kit also includes a built-in expansion slot in case the mysterious Planet 9 is discovered someday. Assembly took about an hour, which was just the right amount of time for my son to stay focused. Overall, this kit isn't just a fun activity. It's educational, engaging, and perfect for kids who love space, science, and learning by doing. I highly recommend it for family STEM time or even science fair projects. It was definitely a highlight in our house.